Break the egg in here. Break it in there. Break this one. Please. We can't cook them like that, babe. They gotta open. No, you only need two. Look, check this out. One hand. See? One hander. Look. Put that back, please. Don't bite the egg, please. Thank you. Mix them. Just do a fork. Mix them, please. You like raw egg? You like anything, huh, babe? There you go. Mix them. Good, baby. There you go. A little bit of warm cream. Mix it up, babe. No, you could eat it raw if you want.
Why?
I don't want you to be sick, though. Mix it, please. Don't spill it, please. No, I don't want you to eat that raw, okay, babe? Papa will be a fucking dick if I did. Well, mix it. Don't eat it, please. There you go. Keep mixing it. Okay. Let it go.
No.
Goes into pepper. I don't want you eating raw egg. You're not Rocky. You're just a baby. Check it out. Come here. Come on. Don't worry about it. Look, we're cooking right here. See? You're being a little baby. You're just being a little baby. Can't be eating raw egg, babe. It gets salmonella. Salmonella. See, it's all coming together. Oh, happy little egg. Ah, Bob Ross cooking. There's a happy little egg right here. Turn it over.
No.
These are little chickadees cooking.
No.
Liquid form. Yeah.
No.
No. Okay.
No. No.
All right. A little dash of salt. Gotcha. Not too much. You're just a baby. Pepper? Oh yeah, you like pepper. Like your food flavorful, right? Oh, you know what we should have did? We should have stole the shrimp off it.
No.
We should have stole that shrimp off that pizza earlier. And threw it in your egg. Hmm?
Yeah.
What? No. No, baby. No, baby. Okay, let's rinse your bowl. Rinse your bowl. Real good. Papa can't put you down today. What's up with that? Bing. Okay, now that's cooked. Just take it off the burner like that. I know. I got you.
No.
You gotta let me put you down for a second.